For the past few weeks, internet is full of cryptocurrency news, and for some reason, Elon Musk is always in one of them. Everybody's talking about it, but many people don't understand what is cryptocurrency. So here, let's suppose you wanted to buy this. You're the buyer, and let's suppose there's a guy who's selling the seller. The seller gets the money, the buyer pays it. Simple. Cryptocurrency takes this card, the bank, the transaction, and blows it up big and fat. In place of the bank, there's a blockchain technology where transactions are verified by miners. Let's suppose there are 3 blocks containing hashes. The hash will be written as a previous block on the next block. That's how you determine the order, by the unique number on each block. The miners verify each transaction. The first block will always have 0000 in the second one will have the hash of the previous block, and the third will have its previous hash as written in the previous. If someone were to tamper with the blockchain and change the middle block, he adds a block that didn't exist in the transaction. The miner will quickly notice this. The miner will disqualify the block. And by making one verified transaction, the miner is rewarded with a Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency of his choice. People think this decentralized system of transactions is the future of currency. But as of now, many countries have not legalized the process and have not made any laws regarding it. So this leaves cryptocurrency in a very gray area. Will cryptocurrency replace banks as the central network of transaction? Only time will tell.